This is a unboxing of the Inatech USB thing, USB card. Yeah, uses PCIe 2.0. Oh yeah, this. Nice thumbnail. Oh, I can actually brighten it up, huh? Sounds like printer hell is going outside of my room, so I gotta go fix that. I just gotta get this done quickly. The USB card includes Molex, SATA, and all those adapters, in case your power supply isn't new enough, which then I'm concerned. And then it does have a genuine USB 3.0 header on the back. That's literally it. Also, it has some like driver CD. I wouldn't even put that in because Windows automatically installs the drivers. And it includes screws for something. I don't know. I don't know much about this thing. It's not even in focus. Great. I'm done. I'm frustrated, done, and bored.